So, Opie, how long will be done with the ship? Well, it takes a lot of repairs. Maybe have like 10 hours. 10 hours? Exactly. That's why I'm gonna repair the ship and then fill fill it with holes, then we're good to go. So, why did you go? Um, oh yeah, I just found some found some boards that you can seal the ship, and then one thing, sharks can't get into the ship. You know why? Why is that? Because I installed some cannons so that way the sharks won't get into through the ship. And I have extra cannons so that way the sharks won't be able to take off all the cannons. That's why I'm going to shoot them all just in case they come near us. And the crabs too. Okay. Alright. Since it's gonna be shark proof, I installed some metal parts so that way it won't leak again. Black metal. Black metal? Yep, exactly. Black metal. When it goes underneath the ship. So these submarines here will hold the ship and then and seal it until it's completely done. Well, you got a point there, Opie. Well, I am good with work though. Say, Ollie, Beth. Yes? Hey, since you're down there, why don't you seal the ship underneath? I got a lot of boards and some metal. Oh, okay, Opie. Alright, here you go. What can I do? Well, since you're being charged, Skip, um, I'm trying to say, you will be holding the ship while Ollie and Beth are just screwing the ship. Um, okay. Alright then. Good luck. Alright, dive, Ollie, dive. See? They will work on the ship whenever it's done. That's pretty great. Um, this is gonna be 10 hours. You think we could test the ship out after we go on our boating vacations? I'm not sure yet. So what do we have to use the ship for? Oh, I'm gonna use the ship just in case I sail our way to Red Line and everything. Oh, makes sense. So about everything. Um Elite. Hey, since Starlight and I will be helping you very soon, how about we go for a nice drive? Okay. It may be so. Um, maybe so, bro. Maybe we can stop by and and maybe we can go on our vacations together and not this kind of vacation. I meant we could go to McDonald's, we could go to anywhere on this scenes. Oh, I forgot to tell you, Lee. When I was just picking out the boards and some metal, I discovered a cave. You did? Yeah, I discovered a cave. How come? Well, I discovered something really cool. Well, it was way cooler than that. I followed the tunnel, and guess where it leads to? Where does it lead to? Well, it leads to a hidden place where Ollie and Beth work. A hidden place where Ollie and Beth work? Exactly. I also take a picture of it. Look at this. Wow, that was so cool.